Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook Chinese cabbage, pork belly, and vermicelli stew. This dish is very delicious. Hope you will like it too. So now let's start. We first need to use hot water to soak some vermicelli. This will take around 15 minutes. Now cut some pork belly into slices. Prepare the pan and put the pork belly into the pan without adding oil. Stir fry until the pork oil comes out. Now cut some scallion, ginger, and garlic. Add them into the pan. Stir fry until you can smell the flavor of scallion and garlic. Now add some broad bean paste. Stir fry until the oil becomes red. Now we need to prepare the cabbage. Use your hands to tear the cabbage into small pieces. Add into the pan. Stir fry and mix well. Now we need to add 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, a little bit of salt. Don't add too much because the broad bean paste is already salty enough. Some sugar. Mix well. Add some water. Now put the vermicelli into the pan. Cut some dried chilies and add them into the pan too. Cover the pan and cook for 10 minutes. Turn off the fire and it is ready. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I'll see you in the next episode.